Hello, good morning, good day. How you doing? So, this is the first of the pets that I have brought up here, bringing the total in this room now to 3. This reportedly is a Commodore model 4016 with a big screen, otherwise known, I suppose, probably, as a Fat 40. And the characters certainly were much bigger on this screen than when using the 8032, and it's a very handsome machine. It's actually my brother and we first rented a small screen pet, but then went back and bought a Fat 40, and that was from Richfield Telecommunications, where you could get a Commodore pet or a new element for your stove. They had it all. So here it is. It's a 4016. It has well, it all seems to be here. The keys, there were a couple of them that that were a little stuck, but giving them a little tap, they came back to life. Now, the question is, of course, with anything, does this machine work? And the short answer is, I don't know. I really don't. That is part of what I'm trying to figure out with everything. I should remember the history of this machine, but I do not. So I did peek quickly inside, and it has a circuit board, and it seems to have all the chips, and everything looks okay, but I am not ready to give it power yet. First of all, I don't really want to see smoke, but, I don't think I will. I mean, the only thing that has smoked on me recently was an 8050 disk drive, and that seems to be, although I've not found it yet, a funny looking capacitor that's made out of paper that smells like paper when it goes boom, and it really doesn't make any difference if the machine works or not. And of course then there was the VIC-20 some while ago that I plugged in, and without even turning the power on, smoke started coming out of it. So I don't expect I'm going to find smoke out of this. What am I going to find? I don't know. I don't know. I suppose I should do my best to ensure that the power supply is working. That would always be good. And, look around, make sure everything looks okay, reseat all the chips, etc., etc., etc. So, as I said, I am going to be going through things and getting the pets together and figuring out what is staying and what is going and what is good for parts and what is good and working and what is bad and dead. So there it is. It's a 4016. I suspect, much like the other 4016 I recently was tinkering with, that it has been upgraded to a 4032. The other 4016, of course, I mentioned, was not upgraded to being 32K because Commodore had drilled holes in the circuit board to prevent people from upgrading them on their own because they were greedy. Very much funny, that sort of activity reminds me of other companies that are still in business today, like people who intentionally make their former products, that happen to be phones, work slower to encourage people to upgrade. Who would do a thing like that? Who would do it? Anyway, so here is a fairly fine looking machine with not much time and effort. There are a couple of, I guess what you would call woogers on it. They're up at the top of the monitor. I know you can't see this, but just up here there's a little, not a scratch, but just it looks like some of the color has come off. There is some dirt on the front, but not much. This would make, I mean, even if it didn't work, it could sit, after it's tidied up, it could sit in a museum and people could say, ooh, ah, look at that. The museum where, of course, the kind of museums where you can't touch things. So, the quest for organization and clarity continues. One pet at a time. Thank you for coming. Bye for now.